How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams. I'm the founder of the Hard Gainer Academy. And you know what? It feels great to be doing this video right now. So, like I said in the last update video that I had, I'm mainly working with dads who are trying to lose the spare tire so they can lead by example and give their kids memories that they'll never forget. But also what has been coming up a lot, especially in 2020, which is why I feel I need to start this now in 2021, is finances. So it's going to be about fitness, family, and finances. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of that content there. So what I want to start doing is showing you how to invest. First and foremost, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But I've had the opportunity to actually start investing at a young age. When I first got my retirement account, I was literally 18 years old. But for the past 2 years, I've kind of went the self-directed route. I really didn't like the returns because I had a mutual fund at the time. I would look at stocks and so forth, but I never really deeply looked into it. But for the past 2 years, I've been doing it self-directed, and I've done very, very well, especially in year 2020. So when I speak to a lot of dads, they'll ask me like, hey, so what are some ways about, putting away money or trying to grow my money and so forth? I feel like when I keep it in the bank, it just doesn't grow at the rate where I want it to grow at. And I understand that because I've been there. So one of the things that you can do is start taking matters into your own hands. So investing in growth stocks is what I'm a part of and what my family's a part of. It's one of those things, though, you got to make sure that you're investing in the right companies. You're making the right trades, all right? So what I'm going to be doing on my channel is pretty much just showing you how you could start growing your money and not leaving it in a mutual fund or leaving it in the bank while you just gain so little interest. I'll be talking about some of the companies that I look into, and I'm also thinking about doing a challenge as well so you guys can probably follow along. Again, I just really wanted to do this because as a father raising a family, I understand you want to make sure you can build your wealth, build your finances, have a secure future. So I'm the one who wants to show you and give you the understanding of, hey, if you're going to go the self-directed route, here are some strategies and some of the companies that I actually look into and so forth. A few of the companies that I'm invested in right now, just to give you guys a quick heads up, is NMDM, so Nano Dimensions. I've invested also in Golden Nugget, which was formerly LCA. We have APXT, and then we also have investments in regards to Solo. So right now, today, what I was looking at was NMDM. I was able to catch it on the dip when it got down to the 13s, but I got a piece at 14. Originally, I got into NMDM around the 675 range. But aside from all of that, again, I just want to show you guys how to go about growing your portfolio, right? Because I feel like it is so important to make sure that, hey, you're getting the most for your money, because at the end of the day, if you leave your money sitting in a savings account or just sitting in a bank account, it's not going to grow the way you want it to grow, all right? So again, that is the direction of the channel: fitness, family, and finance. Just leave some comments down below for any videos you may want to see. But again, I want to make sure for 2021 that you get your portfolio in shape, all right? Talk to you guys soon. Peace out.